After prepping the application surface, spray the application area with a 50-50 mix of water and isopropyl alcohol. Lift one corner of the strip by rolling it between your thumb and index finger several times. Then remove the liner from the bumper protector strip. Spray both sides with the application solution and gently tack into place. Squeegee the bumper protector into place using firm, short, overlapping strokes. Be sure the surface of the bumper protector stays wet through the application process. As you squeegee, moisture and any trapped air will be forced out from under the film. After squeegeeing, check to make sure there are no bubbles trapped underneath the film and that the edges of the film are not lifting. Wipe any excess application solution from the installation and you're done. If you frequently parallel park, you may consider placing the bumper protector along the side of the rear bumper fascia for better protection from scrapes and scuffs. Follow the same application process as before, and in just a few minutes you will have the bumper protector in place.